Dexter Nduna, the chairperson for Resource Mobilization and Revenue Generation within the ZANU-PF Central Committee, has publicly apologized to President Mnangagwa for attending the University of Zimbabwe UZ graduation ceremony last month, which the president presided over as Chancellor of all state universities. Azvipere mushe vanhu voya vachishamisika vachiti Dexter Nduna anonzi nevanhu he is the chairperson yemastate revenues anoita utsotsi uye panapa achikumbira regero nemutungamiri wenyika kuti aiwa akariga kana kuti akatrika degree sara pina mashuka mudanyuka panapa kuti subscribe like turn on the bell icon tinga nomwe kudanyuka musinzi Nduna, who was pursuing a bachelor's of substantive law degree, sat among the graduates during the ceremony. Despite not graduating after he failed 3 courses: energy and mining law, labor law, and language acquisition and intercultural communication literacy. In a public apology issued on Thursday, October 10, Nduna explained that he had believed his request for a remarking of his modules would be successful, adding that he was confident he would be graduating. Tipina statement rakanyora robudanyurwa richinzi I hereby publicly write to you, Your Excellence, informed and guided by the Honorable Minister of Defense and also the National Chairman of ZANU-PF Comrades, Mchunguri Kashiri. I direct this apology to you, Your Excellence, the Commander-in-Chief of the Defense Forces and Council of all State Universities in Zimbabwe, Head of State and Government, and the First Secretary of our colossal gigantic and humongous party ZANU-PF. Ndomashikana tongo panapa nemukomana anonzi Dexter Nduna achikumbira regero nemutungamiri wenyika. People, they are now asking themselves kuti aiwa kana iye achikwanisa kuriga a law degree, what more uchairman waanawo kuma resources pamwe chete nekufinance kune chakanaka ere chiri kubuda kana isa kuti hapana munhu anomuaudita ari the chairperson with those departments. Tudze mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Vena comment section medu musaona subscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.